2019-20 Louisiana Tech Bulldogs basketball team. The 2019-20 Louisiana Tech Bulldogs basketball team represented Louisiana Tech University in the 2019-20 NCAA Division I men's basketball season. The Bulldogs, led by fifth-year head coach Eric Konkol, played their home games at the Thomas Assembly Center in Ruston, Louisiana as members of Conference USA. They finished the season 22-8, 13-5 in CUSA play to finish in a tie for second place. They were set to be the No. 3 seed in the CUSA tournament. However, the CUSA tournament was canceled amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Previous season, the Bulldogs finished the 2018-19 season 2013 overall 9-9 in CUSA play to finish in 8th place. In the CUSA tournament, they defeated Florida Atlantic in the first round before falling to top-seeded Old Dominion in the quarterfinals. Off-season departures, incoming transfers, recruiting class of 2019, roster, schedule and results. Source == references ==